Okay, folks, as we continue on in your WordPress setup series, we are going to deal with two things that are near and dear to the web marketer's heart. A, how to be paid using maybe it's your own product you are trying to sell and delivery method and all of this, or B, B, uh, how to insert affiliate links if you are certainly promoting an affiliate software or whatever it is. Maybe it's Amazon. Who knows what it is? So we're going to get started today doing that. And what we're going to do mainly today, let's go to the site. What we're going to do is we're actually going to do two things. The first thing with the affiliate link, we'll insert that here on the sidebar just to give you a look on how it will function. But next we are going to actually show you a quick delivery method for, let's just say, an ebook or whatever that is. So let us get started today. So we opened up a PayPal account specifically for these purposes, and we're going to ditch it when this series is over, obviously. But we just set it up. We put a couple of links in it, a couple of products here. So we'll kind of go from there. So we're going to assume that you want to set up your. We're going to say you created a product and you want to set something up. So we'll set up our AdWords Back Now product. We're not going to put the text or anything like that. And we went over how to create a page, create a post. So basically, what we're talking is inserting an image and doing a link. So the first thing we're going to do with PayPal is we are going to go to Merchant Services here. When we go to Merchant Services, we'll directly go down. We're not going to explain all of this stuff here because most of it is, we run a big business, is irrelevant to what we do. So we're going to keep it simple here, and we're going to say we are going to, there are two buttons. If you choose to set up multiple, let's just say multiple products, let's just say you sell tennis shoes, you sell socks, and you sell shoestrings, for instance, and apply this to your business market or services. And this is if you sell it and you created the product and you are actually promoting the product yourself without being somebody's salesperson, which is what an affiliate is. So if you want to do that, you want to do an add to cart button, and it is very self-explanatory. We're not going to go into that. We're going to keep this as simple as possible. But what we're going to do, excuse me, is we're going to create a buy now button. So we'll click on buy now, and again, you can. There's a lot of things you can do here. You make the decision. So let's just say, and we'll set up our AdWords Back Now. We'll set up our AdWords Back Now product, and we'll say that is product 0000. We'll set the price, and we'll say we'll say $47. This is just fictitious, but we're going to set it up anyway. So when you go down here, you can see you can customize a button or add drop down menu with price options. You can add drop down menu, add text field. There is a lot of cool things you can do here, but again, we are going to keep it simple. Now, something that if you are into drop shipping products, why you would be, we don't know, but if it's arts, crafts, whatever it is, you would want to put your shipping amount in. We're not going to touch that. But one thing that you want to do to run a serious business is you want to understand your state sales tax rate. So we'll put 7.3% there. And right here, we just want to use a merchant secure ID. We're not going. You just want to keep it simple. If it's certainly of a digitally downloaded product, you want to keep it here. So we'll open this up. And what you see here is track inventory, P&L, or profit and loss. Save button at PayPal. You can track inventory, which is a good thing. You can say item number here. And let's just say you wanted to just sell a limited number of your software, your downloadable software, an ebook, or whatever it is, or a certain number of subscriptions. You can put like you wanted to sell 100, and you can set the quantity you want to sell is 100, or quantity in stock. Alert quantity you want to say 25. And what will happen when you do this is you will keep selling, and then you'll get an email alert when it's down to 25. It'll let you know how you're doing. But we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that today. So we're going to close that up. And down here, yes, customers can buy the item as usual. No, so on and so forth. So you don't. We're not going to really worry about that now. But we're going to again keep it simple. But what we want to really pay attention to as far as delivery of your product is this feature here. So we'll hit step 3. It says, do you want to let your customer change order quantities? No, because it's just a single product. Can your customer add special instructions in a message to you? No, we don't need that because it's going to be a direct download. Do you need your customer shipping address? No. So again, if you dealt with your privacy policy and you have any interest in selling your customers addresses and emails or all of these things, you can set that up. But let me tell you this. Reveal that in your privacy policy and be out front with it. We don't do that. One thing that we don't do that you might want to do is right here. It says take customers to this URL when they're canceled. You would be surprised to know how many people will click through to buy something from you and abandon the purchase. I mean, it is amazing. So what you want to do, and what we did once, and it really helped when we first started with AdWords back now, we took them to a URL on our AdWords ban.net website, and we really put the power sell on them. You know, the headline on that page was, "You got to be kidding me?" Question mark. You're out of business. We gave them all these reasons, and we basically accused them of giving up on their dreams. And here they came back and bought. A lot of them did, not all of them. I mean, some people just they accept defeat, so that's how it is. So when people maybe for your offer, there's a free product, a free offer you can give them to keep them enticed. This is hyper aggressive marketing, and it's pressure sales, and it's not. We got away from doing this not because we didn't want to offend anybody. We're in direct sales. Who cares? But it's just we wouldn't want anybody doing that to us, so we don't do that anymore. But you make the decision on what's right for your business. This is what is all important. You set your price, you set your sales tax, you set your other features. So the question becomes, where does your customer receive their product when they go? That this could be done many ways. I'll just explain to you two. The first is you could actually create a download page on your website. Make sure it's a secure page. We get into that in our WordPress SEO series. However, with creating memberships anyway. However, membership sites. However, there are other options that over the years we've used them, and we haven't found people downloading our product for free, or whether it's indexed or not. We haven't found people downloading our product for free, and that site is File Up Yours. Now let me explain something to you. It is unfortunate. Let me show you something real quick. This is a travesty, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this anyway. So So we're going to go to pdfsearchengine.org. Folks, don't infringe on people's stuff, but nevertheless, we will type in internet marketing. We'll type this in just for instance, and we'll go ahead. We'll do the PDF search, and unfortunately, what we have found out is that. Let's go here. I hate to do this, but it is what it is. So what we have found out is that people, and this is not always true, but it's true a lot of times, there are people who believe that because they let's just say go to Google Docs, they